Harden, the officer in charge of District 7, Sir Edwin Nova, and our beloved school principal, Ma'am Grace L. Acohedo, the barangay chairman, Honorable Renato Igot, together with the Kagawan Education in charge, Honorable Rosalie Gitaya, honored guests, teachers, parents, and to my fellow completers, good morning. Today is a day of triumph, a moment to challenge and a step toward a brighter future. We have all worked hard, faced challenges, and grown in ways we never imagined. Each lesson, every late-night study session, the moments we doubted ourselves have led to this very day. As we close this chapter of junior high school, we open the doors to new adventures in senior high. Let us take this time to celebrate our journey, the ups and downs, the memories we've made. Let us remember the friendship that shaped us, the teacher who guided us, and the support of our families who stood by us every step of the way. This is our moment to look back with pride and look forward with hope and excitement. A new chapter awaits filled with endless possibilities, challenges to overcome, and goals to reach. Let us walk into it with confidence and courage, and the same determination that brought us here today. Again, welcome to this year's 10th completion rides of the Genaro B. Loriñana National High School, batch 2024-2025. Thank you and